So after a long 4 weeks, decided to change the water. So I'll put some greens in this one. Pepper's looking lovely. So you know when it's time to cook, you see it. You have pepper in the house, you know, some Scotch bonnet growing inside. So when I do my cooking video, then I can just come over here, so come pick off 2 Scotch bonnet off of the tree them. See it there? Them start beer already. Yeah, Scotchy everywhere. Lettuce over here, so some green onion. Yeah, Scotchy man. Scotchy everywhere. So this is how my living room look right now. This is nothing but Jamaican Scotch Bonnet Peppers. Yes, a lot of Scotch Bonnet Peppers. So I'm growing these because I'm obsessed with making hot sauce. So within the next few weeks, I will start having more and more peppers. The little pods coming up, or the flowers as they all would call it. So yeah, nothing but Scotch bonnet pepper. They say green thumb. Scotch is everywhere. Everywhere. You see it? So you don't have to have the land outside for farm. You can farm indoors too. You see it? Check it. Time to transplant, you know. Scotch bonnets. I know many of y'all probably wondering why am I transplanting the peppers inside. The reason for that is these plants have been growing inside for the past 3 months and they're not used to the sunlight as yet. So I have to transplant them to soil, then have them catch root, then like every day I will have to introduce them to the sun like 5 minutes to 10 minutes per hour or so, and continually doing that for it to catch that sunlight it needs. So this process is called hardening off, whereby you gradually expose the plants outside to the sun for a few minutes per day, then you return them back inside and continue that process again tomorrow. So that's how you transplant and transfer indoor plant outside.